Hello everyone, today we are diving into how to use Poe AI, which is the collection of chatbots. In this particular website, we have so many AI chatbots that we can use without signing up to their website directly. Once you have a Poe account, you have access to all. Let's start a chat with the official Poe AI. Hi, how are you doing today? Now it gives a response. This response given is from the official Poe AI, not any integrated AI, so we can ask further. What is hybrid? So if you don't understand or not satisfied with this response, you can compare it with another AI. So let us use chatgpt 4. Now this response is from chatgpt 4. If you don't like it also, you can scroll down to click on another comparison. This is web search, just like searching from Google. So that's how the comparing of AI works. Let's head to how to create your own bot. So you can select a bot type, which is prompt bot, image generation bot, video generation, roleplay and server bot. Let's choose prompt bot. You can edit the picture. Let's give it a name. Smart Telly. What is the base bot? chatgpt 4. Which means our bot will behave like chatgpt 4. We can input the view best practice for the prompt. Behave formally. Scroll down for more settings. Greeting message. The greeting message will be the response of the bot whenever someone wants to start a chat. Hi, I am Smart Telly. How can I help you today? This is the bio. Create to assist you. So now you can choose any option. Make both publicly accessible. You can off it or turn it on. Related bot recommendation. You can choose the preferable option. Then click on both. Now we have our bot ready. Smart Telly. Hi, I'm Smart Telly. How can I help you? Which is the greeting message. So, hi, I'm good. What's up with you? What is 3D animation? This is the bot response. We have successfully created a bot. Then we can compare also, which is web search. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. See you in the next video.